Welcome to Dinner's Recipes. I'm Sofia. Today I'm excited to show you how to make restaurant-quality squid ink pasta at home. This dramatic black pasta paired with seafood creates an impressive dish that's actually quite approachable. Let's dive right in. Let's start with our ingredients. For the pasta itself, if you're making it from scratch, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of squid ink. You can find this at specialty food stores or from your local fishmonger, and half a teaspoon of salt. For our delicious seafood sauce, gather 1 pound of mixed seafood. I recommend a combination of shrimp, calamari rings, mussels, or clams. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium shallot, finely diced, half a cup of dry white wine like Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, or adjust to your preference, juice of half a lemon, a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, finely chopped, and of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now let's dive into the preparation. Step 1. Prepare the pasta dough, or use store-bought. On a clean work surface, create a mound with the flour and form a well in the center. Crack the eggs into the well, add the squid ink and salt. Using a fork, gradually incorporate the flour into the egg mixture, working from the inside out. Once the dough becomes too thick to mix with a fork, use your hands to knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Step 2. Roll and cut the pasta. Divide the rested dough into 4 equal portions. Working with 1 portion at a time, keep the others covered. Flatten it slightly and run it through the pasta machine at its widest setting. Fold the dough in thirds, rotate it 90 degrees, and pass it through again. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. Gradually adjust the machine to thinner settings until you reach your desired thickness. Cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shape, like linguine or tagliatelle. Dust with flour to prevent sticking and set aside on a floured surface or tray. Step 3. Prepare the seafood. Clean and devein shrimp if needed, leaving tails on for presentation if desired. If you're using squid, ensure it's cleaned and cut into rings. Scrub mussels or clams thoroughly, discarding any that are already open or damaged. Pat all seafood dry with paper towels. Step 4. Create the sauce. Heat olive oil in a large sauté pan over medium heat. Add shallots and cook until translucent, which should take about 2 minutes. Add garlic and red pepper flakes, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Pour in the white wine and allow it to simmer until reduced by half, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. If using mussels or clams, add them first and cover for 2 minutes. Add the remaining seafood and cook until just done, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in butter, lemon juice, and parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste.